Those are just our King's Hawaiian rolls into our hot oil. While those are frying, I'm gonna grab a plate and I'm just gonna place some cinnamon sugar here. We're gonna fry these for 3 minutes on each side. Alrighty, I'm just gonna grab these out of here. We did leave these as a row of 3. And I'm gonna go ahead and soak each one here into our cinnamon and sugar. And we're just gonna repeat that with all 3 rolls. We're just gonna set our Hawaiian rolls aside to cool. I've got a large measuring cup here and I'm gonna add in this small packet of banana cream pudding. Now to this, I am adding 2 cups of vitamin D milk, or whole milk, as some parts of the country they say. I'm just gonna get this mixed together until it's soft set. Alrighty, that looks good. Now I'm just gonna mix in some Cool Whip to this. We want to change the texture just a little bit. I'll just start with that amount and see if I can't fold this in. I know we're in kind of a small receptacle here, but I just thought it would be easy to measure the milk this way, and then why dirty another bowl? You know what I mean? What do you think, Marty?
I think dirtying as few dishes as possible is a good thing.
Yeah, I think so too. We're not like big, well, I mean, we do a lot of dishes, but it's not our favorite thing to do.
You think we do a lot of dishes?
Marty does a lot of dishes, you guys. All right, and I have just got a piping bag here inside of a coupe to hold it up. And look at that. That works so well. Yummy. Okay, time to bring back in our Hawaiian rolls.
Yum.
Now I do have an apple corer here, and what we're gonna do is use this to push through down in. We are gonna, like I said, we kept the 3 rolls attached, and we wanna continue to do that. And I'm just making a space right down in the center. And I am gonna do this for all of my Hawaiian rolls. All right, we've got our filling here. And now I am just going to put some of that into each of our rolls here. Now, just for my presentation, I'm transferring them to a clean plate. Just like that. One last step, we've got our sweetened condensed milk here. I am using the fat-free kind, and we are just going to drizzle this across our beautiful Hawaiian roll donuts and just finish off their delicious, delicious sweetness. All right, Marty, are you ready to give this a try?
I can't wait.
What do you think?
Wow, that is a lot of flavor.
Hawaiian donuts, you guys. You gotta try it.